Are you looking for a bungalow house that fits your lifestyle and needs? I've got you covered. Located ito sa isang secured subdivision dito sa Angeles City, Pampanga. Malapit ito sa mga malls, restaurants, supermarkets at marami pang iba. So ano, tara! What's up guys? Broker Jordan here. Panibagong araw, panibagong house tour na naman. Upon entering, you'll be welcomed by steps leading to the main door with a 2-car garage equipped with an automatic gate. Stepping inside, bubungad sa iyo ang living area na may mataas na ceiling. Kaya presko at komportable talaga ang bahay. Dito naman matatagpuan ang powder room, conveniently located para madaling magamit ng mga guests. Here is the dining area na may direct access sa lanay kung saan pwede kang mag-relax, tumambay at mag-enjoy ng fresh air. Moving on to the kitchen, makikita ang modern kitchen na may stylish kitchen island for added space and functionality. Dito naman ang dirty kitchen at laundry area. Kasama na rin ang maid's room na may sariling bathroom, hiwalay at very practical para sa daily chores. Meron na rin itong water tank at water filters, ready na for clean at reliable water supply sa buong bahay. Let's move on to the bedrooms. These are the common bedrooms, each equipped with a shared bathroom, built-in cabinets, and air conditioning for comfort. Moving on to the third bedroom. This one comes complete with its own bed, private bathroom, and air conditioning. Perfect for comfort and privacy. And finally, here is the master's bedroom, featuring a large walk-in closet, its own bathroom, and a few steps leading up to the bedroom that opens up to a private balcony. Perfect for relaxing or enjoying the view. Mayroon ding CCTV ang buong property para sa dagdag na security at peace of mind ng buong pamilya. This house is for sale. If interested, message lang sa page. Bye-bye!